This is for vocabulary tips and pronunciation. I'm going to be using Quizlet just because it's already organized for me. If you go to flashcards, I do want you to be aware that you can get pronunciation help. So if you do the full screen and then you click on the little speaker icon, maybe.
To vacuum. To vacuum.
Oops, let's go back.
Passer l'aspirateur.
There you go. You can get it in French and in English. I'm pretty sure you're good with the English. I'm going to do it for you just so I can explain things as we go through as well. Passer l'aspirateur. Keep in mind the aspirateur is vacuum, the object. You have to have a verb with that. So you can aspirer or you can passer l'aspirateur. You pass it back and forth, which kind of makes sense. Faire le lit. Faire les devoirs, faire la vaisselle. You sing a lot of faire, you're doing a lot of things in a house. Remember that vaisselle has 2 S's, 2 E's, and 2 L's. And when you have 2 S's, it makes an S sound, not a Z sound. So it's not vaisselle, it's vaisselle. Faire la vaisselle. Faire la lessive. Again, 2 S's. And the way I remember this is L starts laundry and L starts lessive. I see a lot of people get vaisselle and lessive mixed up. So just remember that vaisselle is dishes and it's always singular. In English, we do dishes plural. In French, you just do the cleaning up, kind of. And then lessive is laundry. Plier la lessive. Plier is to fold. Tondre le gazon. That's an irregular RE verb. I'm not super concerned that you know how to conjugate that one. No, it's a regular RE verb now that I think about it. S nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT is how you would conjugate that. Drop the ER and then add the endings. Enlever les mauvaises herbes. Enlever is to pull out, and bad plants. So to weed, pull out the bad plants. The H in silent is, or the H in herbe is silent, so the Z is going to carry over. Mauvaise herbe. Propre is the adjective clean. My room is clean. Ma chambre est propre. The verb is different. Sale is the opposite, which is dirty. Travailleur is hardworking. To make it feminine, you drop the R and add an S-E. So, il est travailleur, elle est travailleuse. Paresseux is lazy. Same thing here, you drop the X and add an SE to make it feminine. So, il est paresseux, elle est paresseuse. L'argent de poche is allowance, literally pocket money, money of pocket. Une pagaille is like it's just a mess, it's a pigsty. En désordre doesn't mean dirty, like it just means not organized, not tidy. En ordre means it's tidy. Mouillé means wet. That's an adjective, so you would need to make it agree. If it's something that's feminine that's wet, then you would add an E. If it's something plural that's wet, you would add an S. Sec is dry. It has an irregular feminine form, which I'm not going to worry about for our purposes right now.